So in this video, I'm going to be explaining my financial situation, and it's going to be a documented journey, I guess you can say, through how this next year goes. Today is February 24th, 2024. I just got back from a trip to Thailand for 2 months, if you've been following me. I am now in actually Cartagena, Colombia. I got here last night, so I'm going to be here for 4 days, clear my head, do some work, and actually see somebody and do some more video content. But that's not what this video is about. This video is going to be direct and to the point, explaining what my financial situation is right now, and I'm going to come up with a plan on how to fix it, and then I'm going to document that journey. So went through all my accounts and all my credit cards that I have balances on, and I came up with the totals. So for all my bank accounts, which is, checking accounts, crypto, anything pretty much liquid, I can get liquid, cash. Even the IRA account, I can get cash out of that, but I'm gonna hopefully not have to. We'll see what happens. So this is crypto, checking account, cash, liquid stuff that I have. It is $16,100. I am liquid. So $16,100, have that written down. Remember that for this video, we can document that. Credit card debt. This is everything I have, balances on credit cards that most of them I have 0% interest, and that is going to be expiring later in this year, maybe some of them mid-year. So this is where the tricky situation is going to be. I have on all my credit cards, I have a lot of credit cards, but only some of them have balances. That debt came to $47,800. So $47,800 in current total credit card debt across all my cards. So I'm obviously in the red pretty bad right now. So I'm going to be coming up with a game plan on how to survive the recession and get myself back on my feet and making money, hopefully. So as you all can tell, a lot of people are struggling, and I am definitely one of them. And I think just the inflation and not be able to find a job or proper income or having any kind of a job be worth it, as opposed to just working from home or doing what I can online to make money. It just doesn't make a difference. So I'm going to be coming up with some different ideas. A few of them that I have is starting, definitely my personal brand, which I've been doing, continue making content, learning trading. Also, I don't want to be starting to do too many things because my mind will, that's not a good way to. So I'm going to be focusing on a couple things over the next few days, and that includes building online community, my personal brand, and probably going to be looking into starting a school, theschool.com, which is like a online educational platform. It is $99 a month, which I did not know, and that's not a very good thing, but I'm gonna watch some videos and see what happens. But just follow my journey, and this is gonna be like a video series, I guess, over the next however long, and we're just gonna document and see how I fare. If I get worse, I get worse. If not, if I get better financially, then we're gonna document that as well. But right now, financial situation, not very good. 39 years old, just got back from a long trip to Thailand. Now in Cartagena, Colombia. I'm going back to the States again in about 4 or 5 days. But that's my current situation, and we will keep you updated.